Hey guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So guys, today I'm just here to vent, guys. I'm just here to talk to you guys because so guys, let me show you my biscuit. Oh, nice, guys. Nice. And see. So guys, I bake 20 liters, guys, for my family at home because I just felt like doing something nice for my family to appreciate them, guys. So guys, to appreciate my family in J for being the family that they are, guys, because for being supportive and all those things and for being there for me. So I was like, no, let me bake biscuits for them. 2018, guys, I lost my firstborn daughter. Yo, guys, you know, since from that day, 11 December, guys, so it was this date, 2018, when I lost my daughter. So since from 2018 until now, I'm guys. I am not okay. Every time, this time of this date of the year, I will be in my room crying and everything. But this year, guys, I think I'm not like all those years. I think I'm better this year because I'm here doing a video and all. So I think I'm better this year. And guys, again, this year, there's a lot to be thankful for. Really. So, for you guys for supporting me. For you guys for supporting me, for my family, for my friends, everyone who loves me, guys, thank you. Thank you. And I can see now, man, I'm getting there, guys. It's not like I'm getting there. It's not like maybe I will forget my daughter, guys, because she's my daughter. She will always be my daughter. But in J, I won't forget her. Just to accept, guys, that she's gone. Just to accept that she's gone, it will mean a lot to me. So yeah, guys, this year is better because I'm here doing a video and everything. And yeah, guys. So guys, I think this year I'm going to do lots of unboxing because what? So guys, last year, and I did make a story time, guys. Last year I went to Clearwater Mall, guys, after getting some money and all those things, and I was like, let me check, maybe let me buy something nice for me. And I was like, I got in a designer clothes shop where I was escorted by the security guys. So I was hurt, guys. I was hurt and I was embarrassed. I don't want to lie. I was just going to check maybe if I can get something yana smaller yana for me, guys. But in J, I was kicked out. So, like, guys, this year, a good Samaritan rewarded me with something nice, guys. You know, God is good, guys. God is good. And I don't know how this happened, or maybe when everything happened, someone took a video, or maybe someone saw that video that I made here and planned to surprise me, or what. But in J, I am surprised and I'm grateful, guys. So, guys, it was when, I don't know, maybe it's last month or when, I get a call from someone, guys, and I was like, I didn't know what was going on. A person was asking me my sizes, all those things. So now, because there's a lot of scams, you won't trust anything, guys, that's happening. But in J, I didn't give that person my personal details, guys, but sizes and everything I did give him. So hi-bo, guys. I received this, guys. So I was like, what's going on? Someone just, guys, decide to buy this for me. I mean, like, guys, and guys, when I received this, I ran to Google, guys, to Google how much is this sneakers, guys. I was like, oh my goodness. I was like, what? Why didn't this good Samaritan give me that money? Why didn't he give me that money, guys? Because, like, but in J, I'm grateful, guys. I am grateful because, like, I have never ever owned this kind of sneakers, guys. I do have sneakers, but this one, hi-bo, guys. I never thought I will own it. I never thought. So now, yeah, thank you to the good Samaritan, because, like, I was like, I'm going to mention you in my video, and he was like, please don't do that. Don't do that. So now I won't mention any names, but J, thank you. Thank you, good Samaritan. Thank you. So I was like, no, man, I don't want to. I did want to unbox it with that machine of mine, but I was like, no, let me not do that. Let me unbox this. But I will unbox this, but not with anything else, because, like, it deserves to be unboxed alone, J. Who, guys, say? And now this is to protect them, to be clean and everything. So yeah, guys, you know, this year I have a lot to be grateful for. My house at home, because I'm busy building my house, guys. Everything, J, my business, everything, J, is going according to plan, guys. Everything is not perfect, but J is going there. So everything is going well till this far. So yeah, guys, I was just here to chat, guys. I was just here to chit chat. So yeah, guys, please comment. please share, and please guys, subscribe. And thank you again. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.